Honeywell's MicroPressure MPR series evaluation board provides access to all of the MPR pressure sensor pins for evaluation and testing of the sensor with Honeywell's SEK002 sensor evaluation kit or a custom solution. The MPR series sensor is available in a variety of absolute and gauge pressure ranges, and the sensor is calibrated and compensated, providing a total error band as low as plus or minus 1.5%. The sensor consumes less than 10 milliwatts and offers a 24-bit digital output available in multiple configurations. The sensor offers a long stainless steel pressure port and is compatible with various liquid media, and its footprint is just 5mm by 5mm. Honeywell MPR series sensors can be used in consumer and non-consumer medical devices and industrial and consumer applications.